Hey, welcome back to my channel, Riddle here. I wanted to show you a little part of my rare plant collection. This is a ribbon fern, also known as a ophioglossum pendulum. It's really difficult to pronounce, and if you see the name in Latin, you'll understand. It's an epiphyte, so often they grow along with staghorn ferns, which I also have a pretty good collection of. This is really, again, difficult to hunt down. I was trying to get one from the Philippines, but the international shipping and regulations on plants made it kind of impossible. And then I am part of the Staghorn Growers Club on Facebook, and several people said that the legendary platycerium grower Charles Alfort may have some, and sure enough he did. And one thing about Charles, he's not the cheapest, because these plants are not cheap, but his quality is through the roof. So I invested in this thin form ribbon fern and a wide form. And I'm sorry the lighting is so bad in here, but you can kind of see up close, it looks like seaweed. And this one is equally as long as that one. And they grow off of a board that has sphagnum moss on it, just like a staghorn fern does. And they're breathtaking. They're so cool, crazy cool. So this is kind of cool. A piece broke off when I was watering it, because unlike platyceriums, they drink a ton of water. And I have to really keep an eye on them. Even in the wintertime, I noticed it drinking a lot of water. And even after I put it on this larger board, it was drinking a lot of water. And I broke a piece off. And when I broke the piece off, instead of throwing it away, I just tossed it down here in this moss. And it's been about 3 months now, and it's still alive and green. So this is telling me that it might actually be taking root, and I'll be able to take cuttings from this plant and propagate it. So in addition to this experiment, because if you're a plant lover, you know you're always experimenting and trying to propagate, especially your more rare plants, I took some of the leaves of the mother plant and I folded them up into the moss. So it's actually bent into the moss and then hanging over, and then I took some wet moss and smashed it down, and I'm hoping that this will be a super successful cutting, because it's still getting its nutrition like an umbilical cord from the main leaf. It's still connected, but then it'll be able to grow at the same time, and then I'll be able to separate this, hopefully, and start a whole new plant on another board, because I've been really happy with these plants. And I don't know another person that has one, and I just love having something that no one else does. So thanks for coming to my channel. If you enjoy my videos, my funny life, my tips, my plant wisdom, please subscribe, it helps, and pass them along to other people that may be interested. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Bye for now.